Welcome to the chapter on Natural Language Processing, NLP. In this section, we will explore the fascinating field of NLP and its applications in text analysis, understanding, and generation. Introduction to Natural Language Processing. Natural Language Processing, or NLP, is a field of study that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. It involves developing algorithms and models to enable computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP has become increasingly important in various applications, including language translation, sentiment analysis, text classification, information retrieval, and chatbots. Text preprocessing. Text preprocessing is a crucial step in NLP, where raw text data is cleaned and transformed to make it suitable for further analysis. It involves several techniques. Tokenization, which breaks down the text into individual words or tokens, enabling analysis at a granular level. Stop word removal, where common words like articles, prepositions, and conjunctions are eliminated to reduce noise in the data. Stemming and lemmatization, which reduce words to their base or root form, ensuring consistency and simplifying analysis by grouping similar words together. Language models. Language models capture the statistical properties and relationships between words in a given language. Two important types of language models are n-grams, which are based on sequences of n consecutive words. They estimate the likelihood of a word given its context, allowing for language generation and prediction tasks. Word2vec, a popular word embedding technique, represents words as dense numerical vectors. It captures semantic relationships between words and enables various NLP tasks like word similarity and document classification. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is the process of determining the sentiment or emotion expressed in a piece of text. It has various applications, such as social media monitoring, customer feedback analysis, brand reputation management, and market research. Machine learning algorithms are commonly used in sentiment analysis to classify text as positive, negative, or neutral based on the sentiment expressed. Named entity recognition, NER. Named entity recognition, or NER, involves identifying and classifying named entities in text, such as person names, organizations, locations, and dates. NER is crucial in information extraction, question answering systems, text summarization, and entity-based search. By identifying and extracting relevant information from unstructured text, NER enhances the understanding and analysis of textual data. Machine translation. Machine translation is the automated process of translating text or speech from one language to another using computer algorithms. It plays a vital role in facilitating cross-lingual communication, enabling global business operations, and promoting cultural exchange. Machine translation systems utilize advanced NLP techniques and language models to achieve accurate and efficient translation. Thank you for exploring the topic of natural language processing, NLP, with us. If you found this chapter informative, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Stay tuned for more exciting content on NLP and other related topics.